Today I want to extract a gradient and then use that gradient to fill in text. I'm using Windows 2023, Window, and Library. To see it easier, I'm going to click and drag my library panel out. I'm going to click on the plus, and I'm going to click right here where it says Extract from Image. I could make a custom pattern. I could find a color scheme. And in this example, I want to add a gradient. I'm going to click the Gradient tab. And on the right, I can adjust how many different colors, i.e. gradient stops, I want to use. After I have my gradients, I'm going to click Save to the library. I can close my Extract from Image. So I have it saved right here, but it says Capture Gradient. To rename it, I can simply double click and rename the gradient. To add text, click T for text, and I'm going to type Visit Colmar, France. To review my fonts, I can go to Window and Character. A side note, I can use my Smart Guides to put this in the middle, right here. So to apply this, I'm going to go to FX at the bottom to add a layer style, and I want to do a gradient overlay. Or here I can go to, so at the bottom I can click my FX, and I'm going to choose a gradient overlay. Now this is not a gradient map, but a gradient overlay. For the gradient, I can double click inside my gradient. And since I already have this saved, I can go and find the gradient I just created. Now I can even go back through my library, and since I have my text highlighted, I can simply click on other gradients I have used to find the right one. A second note is I may want to go ahead and add another effect, such as a stroke or a bevel emboss, just to make it stick out a little bit better. And there you have a gradient that has been extracted from this image that I know will look perfect because the same colors are in the design. Thanks for listening to another great tutorial.